see how to create an assignment. So when you click on create, you have three options: assignment option, quiz, then from existing. So first we will see how to do a quiz. Click on quiz. So here you will see create a quiz assignment, and here you can select the class. So I am selecting one class, then click on next. So here add the quizzes you create in Microsoft Forms to your assignment. So I have created some quizzes. From this one I can select, or I can start a new quiz. So it will be automatically going to your forms. This is the forms for Microsoft Forms. So here you have this panel. You have the name of that is the title bar of that panel. Then you have preview, theme, share, responses, questions. This is the name of your quiz. So I am going to make a title for that, class test. Under that I can enter the description, entering the name of the lesson, playing with the numbers. If you want, you can select an image also here. Here click on the question, and here I can type the question. Since it is a max question, I can take here more settings for question. Click on that, you will get a math subtitle, add branching, but I am using a math option. So here I will get enter an equation. So simply clicking on that, you will get so many math options here. So here suggested results are there. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, that is 4. So I can put it there. Options are also given 2. Next add option is there, 5. Again add option 1. I have taken the suggestion itself, and my correct answer is 4. So I have put that 4. So here required I have put. The same way, if you need a question, a type of question like this, and you can copy this question here as your second question. I can plan another question like this, subtract. So now I have created one question paper. I will go back to my teams. Now I will create, click on create again, quiz. Now we have to select the class. I am taking my 5C. Next. Now my quiz comes here, class test fractions. I clicked on that. I clicked next. And get a new assignment with the title. Already it is class test fractions. The instructions you can give, from what time to what time you can answer the question, or any other instructions if you want to give, that you can give. Maximum points is 2. Then who all can participate in this quiz, whether all students, or you can, from here you can select students also, which only 2 students. If you want to assign only for 2 students, that can also be done. So I am not going for that. I want to send this to all students. Now you can select the date, time, then here post assignment notification to this channel general. I don't want it in general, I want it in my max channel. So I can edit and make it as max channel. So suggestions will come, take the channel, done. Once this is done, either you can save, discard or assign. Since this is a test, I am not assigning, I will save it, so it will be in the draft. So if I click on draft, I will see my class test fractions. Now I have assigned many. If you are assigning, it will come under assigned section. So the latest which one I have assigned is the class test for 6B. Now I am going to, so I will click on this. So after assigning, and here you can see 29 have written the exam out of 36. So I can value that. So I am taking the class test. I can take this open in forms. If you want to add some mark for this particular question paper, I have not given marks for the last question, so I need to enter that mark. So for that I am opening this question paper in forms. Now here you can see Anthony Paulson. He made one wrong, and the last one also he made it wrong, so no points for him. Now review and next. So the next person will come. His points is already here. See whether it is here. I have not graded the fifth question, so I need to see the answer. So for that purpose, so here my answer is 29, but it is marked as 3, so the answer is wrong, so I will give 0 points for this. Then I can review the next one. So next one is Janet Kalarakel. Her answer is 29, which is correct. I can put marks there. Here points is 10 out of 10. I can give a feedback, well done. Review next. To enter mark. Here this is multiple choice. That means for the same question you have multiple answers. That way is also possible. So now all my markings are over. I can go back. Here I have a new option, that is post score. So I am going to post the score. So each one will get their scores, graded scores. So here I can see that Janet Kalarakkal, Saira Elizabeth, Joan Sebastian, Catherine Mejo, Michelle Mejo. These children got full marks. Okay. I have to select, then only I have to select and post. Then only the score will reach them. And here you will see posted. Otherwise it will be shown as not posted. So the status has changed to posted. So now you can see that 29 has turned in and 7 has to return. 29 has turned in and their mark is also there. Now I can export this to Excel. So it is already downloaded. So we will see what will happen. We will go to the downloads. In the downloads, six B grades. Here you can see all the grades of the children. In their alphabetical order, or the feedback, their marks, all these things are visible. So this is how you grade your assignment or send your assignment.